Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss about functions. Let A and B are two finite sets with cardinality of set A is M and set B is equal to N. What does that mean by mod A is M and what is mod B N? Mod A means there are M elements in set A. Mod B is equal to N means there are N elements in set B. Okay, if we have two finite sets with M and N elements, then there exist N power M functions from A to B. There are number of functions possible from A to B is N power M. From B to A is M power N. And if M greater than N, there exists no one-to-one function. If M is greater than N, there exist no one-to-one functions from A to B. Suppose if M less than or equal to N, there are N factorial by N minus M factorial number of one-to-one functions from A to B. Next, M greater than or equal to N, number of onto functions. Till now we discussed about one-to-one function. Now it is onto function. Number of onto functions from A to B is P of M comma N is equal to summation K is equal to 0 to N minus 1 power K 4 N C N minus K N minus M N minus K power M. So these are the formulae to find out if you have a two finite sets with M and N elements, number of one-to-one functions and number of onto functions from A to B. So let us discuss some problems based on these. So first problem, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many functions are there from A to B? How many of these are one-to-one functions? How many are onto functions? Second bit, how many functions are there from B to A? How many of these are onto? How many are one-to-one functions? Second problem, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there are 6720 one-to-one functions from A to B. So what is mod B? So these are the problems we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, let us start with first problem, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many functions are there from A to B? So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements in set A. Therefore, cardinality of set A is denoted by M. M is equal to 4. And similarly, there are 6 elements in set B. Cardinality of set B is N. Therefore, mod B is 6. Okay. Now, first, how many functions are there from A to B? From A to B, the number of functions from A to B is N power M. Just now we discussed a formula. There are N power M functions are from A to B. So here that is N is 6, M is 4. So therefore 6 power 4 functions are there from A to B. So 6 power 4 is 1296. Yes. Next, how many of these are one-to-one functions? How many of these are one-to-one functions? How many are onto functions? So from A to B, the number of one-to-one functions possible n factorial by n minus m factorial. So the number of 1-to-1 functions possible from a to b is n factorial by n minus m factorial. This is the case when m less than or equal to n. See, here m is n is 6. 4 less than or equal to 6, that is m less than or equal to n. When m less than or equal to n from a to b, there are n factorial by n minus m factorial 1-to-1 functions. Suppose when m greater than n, there are no 1-to-1 functions. Okay, here the condition satisfied. Here m is less than or equal to n, therefore there exists n factorial by n minus m factorial. Here n is 6. 6 factorial by 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Here n is 6 and m is 4. So 6 factorial by 2 factorial. So 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. By 2 factorial is 2 into 2 into 1. 2, 2, 1, 1. So 6 into 5 is 30. 30 into 4 is 120. This is equal to 360. So there are 360 1-to-1 functions possible from a to b. So similarly, we need to find how many are onto functions from a to b. So onto functions from a to b. So what is the cardinality of a? Cardinality of a is 4, and cardinality of b is 6. m less than or equal to n, there are no onto functions from a to b. Okay, when m less than or equal to n, there are no onto functions from a to b. Okay, this is about first bit. Let me revise. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have two finite sets with 4 and 6 elements. You are finding how many functions are possible from a to b and how many are 1-to-1 functions exist and how many onto functions are there from a to b. So from a to b, there are n power m functions possible. Therefore 6 power 4 is 1296, that is 1206. Sorry, 1296. From a to b, the number of 1-to-1 functions possible n factorial by n minus m factorial, that is 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial is 360. So to know how many onto functions are there from a to b, you need to check the condition. When m less than or equal to n, there are no onto functions from a to b. Okay, this is about first bit. Coming to the second bit, how many functions are there from b to a? How many of these are onto functions? How many of these are 1-to-1 functions? Now, for the same sets, cardinality of set A is 4 and cardinality of set B is 6. So first bit, number of functions from B to A. From B to A, there are m power n possible functions. M power n. So m is equal to 4, n is equal to 6. So 4 power 6 possible functions are there from B to A. That is 4096. 4 power 6 is 4096. So to know how many 1-to-1 functions are there from B to A, you need to check the condition. So you are finding 1-to-1 functions from B to A, not from A to B. So when you are finding B to A, you should consider this as a m and this is n. Okay, so m is greater than n. So if m is greater than n, there is no 1-to-1 function from B to A. Okay, and don't think that, see, when you are calculating number of functions from B to A, so here B to A, m power n is the formula, m is 6, n is 6 and m is 4, therefore 4 power 6, that is 4096 possible functions are there from B to A. When you are calculating number of one-to-one functions from B to A, so this set will become, the cardinality of set B will become m and this will become n. So m greater than n, therefore there is no one-to-one function from B to A. And similarly from onto functions, to know how many onto functions are available or exist from B to A is, that is P of m comma n, summation k is equal to 0 to 4, here n is equal to 4 and m is 6, that is P of 6 comma 4 is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to 4 minus 1 power k, 4c, 4 minus k and 4 minus k power 6. So this is equal to, on simplification by substituting k is equal to 0 to 4, you will get first term as, if you substitute k equal to 0, something power 0 is 1, 4c, 4 minus 0, 4c4, 4c4 into 4 power 6. Next, plus minus 1 power 1 is minus 4c3 into 3 power 6, plus minus 1 power 2 is minus 1 power 2 is 1, 4c2 and 2 power 6. Okay, next by substituting k is equal to 3, you get minus 1 power 3 is minus 4c 4 minus 3, 4c 4 minus 3 is 4c1, that is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 power 6 is 1. So you get 4c4 into 4 power 6 minus 4c3 into 3 power 6 plus 4c2 into 2 power 6 minus 4. On simplification you get 1560 onto functions from B to A. Only one point you need to remember, when you are calculating functions from B to A, formula is m power n. Here m is 6, sorry, this is m and this is n. M is 4, n is 6. 4 power 6 is 4096. When you are calculating number of one-to-one functions from B to A, then the cardinality of first set will become m and second set will become n. So here m is 6 and n is 4, m greater than 4, therefore there is no one-to-one function. So to know the onto functions from B to A, this is the formula. Okay, so in this way we can solve the second bit. Next one is third problem. See, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there are 6720 one-to-one functions from A to B, what is the cardinality of set B? Yes, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardinality of set A is 5. So there are 6720 one-to-one functions or exist from A to B. What is the cardinality of set B? So formula, from A to B there exist n factorial by n minus m factorial one-to-one functions from A to B. So here m is 5, n value you need to find out, that is the cardinality of set A is, this is m, you need to find out the cardinality of set B, that is n, find out mod B. So substitute here, there are 6720 one-to-one functions are there, so n factorial by n minus 5 factorial. So 6, 7, 20 into n minus 5 factorial is equal to n factorial. 6720 n minus 5 factorial is equal to, this can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. Both sides n minus 1 factorial. We can cancel. 6720 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. So can we find out the n value by substituting n is equal to 1? If I substitute n equal to 1, will I get the value is equal to 6720? No. Substitute n equal to 2. Is that value by substituting n is 2? Is that value is equal to 6720? No. Substitute n equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, here it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because m should be greater than n should be greater than m. Okay. N value must be greater than m. Then only 1-to-1 functions exist. Okay. So here n value by taking n is equal to 6 you can check. If I take n is equal to 6, that value is not 6720. You can check by taking n is 7 and you can check by taking n is equal to 8. If I take n is equal to 8, that value is equal to 6720. Therefore, the cardinality of set B, which is denoted by n, is equal to 8. Okay. If you have a set B with 8 elements from A to B, there exist 6720 1-to-1 functions. Okay. This is about today's topic.